What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking out my crochet, and it has been 3 weeks since I installed this hair, and I definitely could have got more use out of it. As you see here, I'm just fluffing it out to show you guys how it looks after 3 weeks. So you definitely can keep it in longer, just slay my baby hairs or something. But I was just ready to take it out and move on to a new style. So just showing you guys how it looks after 3 weeks. So pretty much all I'm gonna do is section this crochet hair off and then cut it down as short as I can. And yeah, I'm gonna do that all over my head. Alright, so this is what it's looking like now that I cut all of the hair out, and I'm just gonna go in and start to pull out each piece of hair. Now the closer you cut to the top, or the closer you cut, you see I'm cutting this shorter because it's a little too long. You want to get it as short as possible because then the loop will just slip out much easier. So I'm just gonna go through my whole entire head and take out all of his hair, and I think this whole process probably took no more than 15 to 20 minutes. Probably not even 20 minutes. So it's really quick and easy to do. So after I'm done with that, I'm just showing you guys how much my hair grew. And I don't know if this is all growth. It might be from me wearing it up in a ponytail and like kind of pulling on it, but I don't know. This is what it looks like after 3 weeks. And I will link at the end of this video how I got this braid pattern if you're interested in that. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take a spray bottle. It's filled with just water, and I just want to dampen up my hair. Then you can take any conditioner of your choice and apply that all over, just so that when you're taking your braids out, you're not taking it out on super dry hair. If you were to take it out on completely dry hair, it's more likely that you'll get breakage. So just go ahead and moisten your hair up a bit before you take out your braids. So now that I'm done, I look crazy, but this is what my hair looks like after I took all those braids out. And now I'm gonna move on to my PrePoo. And I like to do a PrePoo every time before I wash my hair, because I just want to make sure that when I'm washing, I'm not washing on dry, brittle hair. I would rather my hair be moist and then wash it, so it's not just completely stripping my natural hair. So I'm going in section by section, taking this water bottle and getting it wet. And normally I would just use a sink, but since I'm recording, I'm using a spray bottle. And then I'm taking that same cholesterol conditioner and just coating it to the section, coating the section. Then I'm gonna go in and finger detangle. So you want to make sure you take your time doing this, and just go ahead and continue to comb your hair out with your fingers, or I guess whatever tool you prefer. I prefer my fingers. And then you're just going to continue to comb it out until it is completely detangled. You can run your fingers through it nice and easily like this. And you want to go from all angles. You want to go from the top, from the side, from underneath. And yeah, I'm just going to continue this same exact thing all over my head until all my hair is moisturized and detangled.
You're the king, and you never told us?
Alright guys, so I am moving on to my last section of hair in the front. And of course I'm just going to repeat the same exact steps as I did before. And yeah, just add the water, conditioner, and detangle. Alright, so now that I'm done, this is how my hair is looking, and I can tell by just looking at it that it is still dry and I need to do a deep conditioner after I wash. So I'm just taking some oil and I heated it up, and this is olive oil, coconut oil, peppermint oil, and tea tree oil. And I'm just doing a hot oil treatment all over my scalp, so applying the oil to my scalp and rubbing it in just so that my scalp can be nice and clean and refreshed after I wash it. So that is the last step, and like I said, I definitely need a deep conditioner because I know how my hair looks when it's properly moisturized, and this is still looking pretty dry, but this is a step that I like to do before my wash so that I'm not washing on dry hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you do on wash day. And yeah, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.
And you never told